This is elevator 10, and that's elevator 9. But this video is going to be about elevator 10 at St. Vincent Hospital in Erie, Pennsylvania. Look at this, it's an old 40s, 50s Otis with black buttons. This button does get replaced. Sadly, that car coming light does not work. Rear Otis level on the floor. The track, go to 7. And all these button caps are replaced. Here we go up. Whoa. This hospital meets my expectations. This place has some pretty cool stuff. This is the service building, if I didn't already mention. I don't think I did here at 7. I think you hear the motor generator. That's a really clanky Otis chain. You can see the chain. Especially clanky up here. Back on the 1. Non-illuminating phone. It's a basic fake wood grain cabinet. It was redone, but it has the tray lighting here. The fan was on, but I turned it off camera. There's the grid lighting, which I was also added later. It's a cool elevator. Actually, maybe the crane's original, because look at that. That's like the 40s style. This is definitely old. Here, back at 1. We'll turn back on the fan. Close this. That's gonna be it.